Okay, so I figured out what's going on. I haven't completely fixed the problem, but for right now, this is what I've got, and if I figure it out, I'll post another video. But, so, at first we were having, we clicked it, and then you had to have another slideshow, and then another slideshow, and another slideshow. So what I figured out, this was my original slideshow that I made from the Facebook post that, oh gosh, I just lost her name. What's her name? I'm going to look it up. Kaylee did with the awesome scavenger hunt. And so I had found out that you can skip the slide. So if you right click and skip the slide, when you present it, it won't show up. The problem with this is when you hit present and it goes to full screen, I got it going, I hit get started. Now if I click it, it just keeps going and I hit all these things and it's not working. Oops, sorry. So what I decided, and just kind of a quick fix for now until I can figure it out, and when I figure it out, I will share it with you. But what I did is, since I made all this work, I didn't want to redo it. So what I did is I kept this as kind of a base copy for myself. If I ever want to make another one, it's already here for me. So what I did is I control and then selected 2 slides at a time. And then I came over here to File, Make a Copy, just the selected slides. And then what I did, just to make it easier for myself, I did 1 Bitmoji, 2 Bitmoji, and I did it 2 at a time. Because if I do it 2 at a time, it's quite so many links to follow and not quite so many tabs open. Because that's something, at least from my parents, I've been getting feedback from. They're like, why are my tabs so many? So it's not quite as many. It's only, I think it ended up being 5. So I went ahead and made it. So here's my first one. So when I present this one, what will happen now, and I haven't gotten it completely set up, so excuse me for that one. I've got my first slide. I'll go through. You hit get started. Now when I click it, it's not there anymore, so it won't keep going. I have to actually click the right one for it to open the new tab. So what I did is the first slide on every one is regular, but I right-clicked all the second slides and skipped it. So that way I don't have quite so many tabs open. And then the second one, I did the same thing. So here's the third. When they click on the link, it'll go to this one. When they click on this link, it will open this one, and so on until they get to the end. And I added my whole team. When I'm done, I'll share mine too, just so that way y'all have it as well. But thank you so much, Kaylee, for coming up with this awesome idea. Hopefully this helps some people who are trying to make their own. I'd love to help other people. Let me know. Yeah.